Alright, I'm going to try to enable the desktop cube for the Ubuntu 11.4 in the classic mode. And most likely if I'm going to be upgrading to this, I'm going to be using the classic mode. So I kind of want to be able to, have what I used to have back. So, and I tried this a few times and I crashed and burned a few times too. So I got it going. So I'm going to at least try to show you how I did it. It might be different for you, so I can't really consider this a tutorial, I guess, but I'm just going to show you how I did it, and hopefully this kind of guides you in the right direction. So we're going to, well, first things first, you need to enable, well, how can I say this? Your login screen, like, don't have that to automatic. Set that to a manual where you actually type in your password to log in. So in case you do crash and burn and your desktop can't work anymore, you can always log into Unity, and go on from there. So let's go right here to compiz setting manager. Alright, now when you start messing with these plugins, right away your desktop's gonna die. So like, let's click on the cube, disable the wall, and all your plugins should just uncheck like that. Alright, so let's enable the cube, enable OpenGL, enable compositing, rotate cube, excuse me, viewpoint switcher, enable that, and let's see, enable in animations, and okay, come on, animation add-ons. Let's try 3D windows. Okay. Oh yeah, and you need to enable for sure move windows. There it is. And your Windows decoration. Click on that. Alright. Now, on the bottom here, right click on your workspace switcher, go to preferences. Where it says rows, put 1, columns, put 4. Press close. Okay, now let's restart compiz. Accessories terminal. Type compiz, C-O-M-P-I-Z space -- replace. So compiz -- replace. Now press enter and cross your fingers. Okay, let's see. There you go. Got it back. So what I'm going to do is log out, log back in, and see if it sets, stays. If you see this big white screen here, I don't know what that's about. As soon as you close this manager thing, that goes away. So let me log out for a second. Okay, so far I got it working, right? So it hasn't crashed yet or anything. So if you want to enable your mouse wheel switching, rather than having to click down here to switch your workspaces, just go back to your settings manager, your compiz setting manager, click on that, then go to I believe it's viewpoint switcher, go down, where are you at, viewpoint, there it is, right here, all the way to the far right, this little tab right here, click on this, and where it says move next and move previous, when you click on this, enable it and set this to button 5, and the same thing down here, but set that to button 4, and that just enable your mouse wheel to switch desktops. And if you want to do the wobbly windows, of course, if you want to do that, just go back and look for wobbly windows, click on that, and what else? The grid. Let's see, does that work here? No, I don't think I would. Yeah, I would leave that alone. Let's see, is it working? Huh, I guess there's still a little bit of a bug or something. I can't really click and drag to work different workspaces yet. It's really slow. I'm sure there's a setting I gotta mess with, but anyways, I just want to show this video to just kind of give you an idea that you can have the cube back, because I've been reading a lot of the forums and people are having a really big problem with this. So this is pretty much how I did it. And I guess if you want to try it, but be very careful with it, because it'll, if you mess up, it'll be a big headache. So and if you do mess up, if you manage to get back into an actual desktop, go down here where it says preferences, click on that, and right here where it says reset to defaults, click on that, and it should all reset. Then you can just log out, log back in, and you should be okay. Alright, so anyways, thanks for watching.